Hi, my name is Kai and today I'm going to show you how you can generate your table of content or your index in EPLAN. Let's start. Before we generate our table of content, we need to check the settings in our project and select the right form. To check which form is already selected in our project, we go to Settings, Project, here's our project, Reports and Output to Page. And here in line 6 we can see the table of content. Here you can select your form which you want to use in your project. When I check preview, we can see here in the small window the preview and have a small description below this. You have here different templates which comes with the installation of EPLAN, and you can use one of this. I will use the 001 type, say open, and now I have it here in my project. Here I can also select the page sorting. In my case I keep it on total, but you also can select here some other properties. Now we say OK. And now we generate our table of content. Therefore, we mark the project, go to Utilities, Reports, Generate. Here on the tab Templates and the button New. We select the report type. OK. I don't want to set any filter. Say OK. Here we can select in which structure it should be generated. I choose the document type and say AAB1. This was now in this list because I already had this before in this project. Otherwise you can type in it here directly. Everything else we keep it like it is and push OK. And now we have here the template. When we go now here to generate report, our table of content will be generated automatically. And here on the left side in my page navigator, you can see that EPLAN automatically generate the table of content. Now it is ready. When you want to create your own table of content or to modify this one, we can go to Utility, Master Data, Form, and I highly recommend you that you copy one of the existing one and create a new one. I recommend you that you copy one of the existing one and make your adjustment, save it as a new one. So we go to Copy, and now we need to select here the file type for table of content. This was the F06001 which we selected for our project. Now I go to Open, and now I get the copy. I give it a new name. Save it. And now you can see here in the page navigator that the table of content is open and I can modify it. For example, I can a little bit shift this line or insert a new line. And insert here, for example, some new text. For example, the creator. Here we can select also some properties. Say OK. Now it's finished. Then we go to our page navigator, right click and close it. Go back to the settings and select here our new form. Okay. And when we now select our table of content in our page navigator, go to Utilities, Reports and say Update. We will get our new form in our project. Thanks for watching this video. If you have further questions, please leave a comment below this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video, which I recommend you on the right side. Grow your EPLAN skills.